everyone! Today I have created this look. So let's get started. So first I will hydrate my skin with Q oil stick or hydrating serum, and I will wait for a bit to absorb this serum into my skin. So I will not apply any primer after using this stick. Now I will apply my Almay foundation. With the help of brush I will apply all over the face. After applying foundation, I will contour my face with a Fit Me contour stick. So now I am using e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I have been obsessing with this concealer and I will definitely repurchase this. And I'm not gonna think twice before purchasing this concealer. I really love this. It's blending out very beautifully. Here you can see how creamy it is and how smoothly it blends. It is the most flawless and full coverage concealer. Here I am using matte fixing spray to lock my foundation and contouring. And this is the best Physician Formula product, butter highlighter, and it's really blending like a butter. Before applying eyeshadow, I would love to apply concealer on my eyelid. So here I am using e.l.f. Cosmetic Concealer. Here I am using Smashbox eyeshadow palette. So this is my final look. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon. आपको मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. Bye bye.